on your knees. Any mudra, Chin, Gyan or Bhairava mudra. Relax your shoulders. Give some time to be calm down. Let yourself relax and prepare yourself for the practice. Keep your eyes closed and keep them closed for some time and observe the body steadiness. Experience the stillness of your body. Imagine your body just like as a statue. Experience the stillness of your body. In the stillness of your body, there is some movements. The movement on your breathing inside your nostril. Experience the air moving in and coming out. Now bring your attention on eyebrow center. Concentrate in between your two eyebrows and visualize there is a light like a candle flame. While looking on the light, chant the mantra Om together. Breathe in. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Slowly join your palms together, rub your palms. Place your palms on top of your closed eyes and slowly, with a few blinks, open your eyes. And very slowly, gently stand up. Samastiti. Just practice Surya Namaskara. Quickly, 6 rounds. Practice slowly, 6 rounds. Totally 12 rounds. Come one end of the mat with your feet together. Become aware of your abdomen. Inhale and exhale to contract your abdomen muscle. And keep your abdomen still. And inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, join your palms. Namaste. Breathe normally. Feel the pressure in between your both palms. Mentally prepare for the practice. Surya Namaskara, 6 round, dynamic and 6 round, slow. Now in front of your closed eyes, you visualize a beautiful sun. A rising sun behind the mountains. Chant the prayer. Om Hiranmayenam Patrenam Satyasya Vihidam Mukham Tattvam Bhushannam Pavrunu Satya Dharmaya Drishthaye. Om. 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, right leg. 5 exhale. 6 hold the breath. 7 inhale. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. Left leg front. 10 exhale. 11 inhale. 12 exhale. Left side. 1, 2 inhale. 3 exhale. Left leg. 4 inhale. 5 exhale. 6 hold the breath. 7 inhale. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. Right leg front. 10 exhale. 11 inhale. 12 exhale. Relax with the normal breathing. Second round, come on end of the mat. Deepti, you move forward on end of the mat. Move forward. 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left side, 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, left, 5 exhale, 6 Kumbhaga, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Relax, breathe normally. 1, 2, 3. Third round. 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 Kumbhaga, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 Kumbhaga, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Normal breathing. Now practice little more fast with the Bija mantra. Fourth round. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Left Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Breathe normally. Now fifth round. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Normal breathing. 6. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Om Hreem, Om Hrom, Om Ram. Left, Om Ram, Om Hreem, Om Hrom, Om Hreem, Om Hrom, Om Ram. Om Ram, Om Hreem, Om Hreem, Om Ram. Breathe normally. Separate your feet little bit. Practice Ujjayi breathing. Listen the sound of your breath. It's coming from your throat. Make a deep and long breath. Practice 3 round Ujjayi. Now practice with Ujjayi breathing slowly. Make your posture more deepen. 1. Exhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Exhale. Slow down, slow down. 4. Right leg. Inhale. Open your shoulder, open your chest, open your throat. 5. Exhale. Continue. Inhale and exhale. Don't break your breath. Kumbhaka. Hold. Ashtanga Namaskara. 7. Inhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale. 12. Exhale. Left. Again exhale. Complete exhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Exhale. Listen the sound. 4. Inhale. Left leg. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Hold the breath outside. 7. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, normal breath. 8th round, Ujjayi breath. Inhale, exhale, long breath. So also it's a practice of pranayama. Pranayama and asana together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Kumbhaga. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, left, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Kumbhala. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax, breathe normally. 9. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Kumbhaga. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, left, exhale, inhale, exhale, keep on listen the sound, inhale, breathe ujjayi, exhale, hold the breath, Kumbhaka, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe normally. Continue breathing like this. At the same time, listen the mantra and repeat the mantra mentally, internally. One. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Akhaya Namaha. Om Vaskraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Davai Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Akhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Visramdi. 11. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Dave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kadhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Akhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara. Israngi. So last round, 12 round. So you do your best. Every round you should improve your flexibility, improve your posture, make it more perfection. Okay. Last round. Separate your feet and make it bend more. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Open. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha.
Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marisai Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara. Now separate your feet. Just stand up like this and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Stay there for 1 minute. Loosen your fingers. Shidila Tadasana. Listen your heartbeat. If your heart beating fast, make it slow. Take some deep yoga breathing. Experience the prana shakti pulsating and vibrating throughout your body. Now chant 3 times Aum Makara loudly. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Slowly move your fingers and gently open your eyes. Today we're going to practice Adho Mukha Vrikshasana. It's also called handstand. It's like a gymnastic people. You need to balance on your hand. So Adho Mukha means face downward. Vriksha means you all know the tree. So this posture you have to do from the beginning. You have to take a support of the wall and keep distance from the wall, like 1 foot distance from the wall. Keep your hands, palms on the floor and swing your leg. First you try right leg with exhalation. Exhale, you swing up. Like repeat 5 to 6 times. Then change your leg to left leg until you get balance. Touch your heels on the wall and you get balance on the wall. So you have to practice on the wall first. First you can bend your knee, keep your foot on the wall, and gradually you can straight one leg, another leg, slowly. So after you secure balance or against the wall, you can go back to middle of the room and practice. So when you middle of the room, you practice, often you will fall down. So those who are very stiff back or not flexible at all, I prefer you should do on the against the wall only. Those who are at least good flexible, those who can do chakrasana, the chakrasana, the wheel pose, they can do middle of the wall. If in case you fall down, just bend your knee. Bend your knee, try to touch your foot on the floor first, not to hit your back. So those who are a little flexible on the back, they can try on the middle. After succeed against the wall. Okay. And this practice, you should take care who's have a Like slipper disc, any condition, waist condition on the back, you should not practice this one. Also, who have high blood pressure, heart disease, should avoid this practice. Also, same like a Shirshasana, all the precaution, contraindication, same like a Shirshasana. If you have glaucoma, some surgery on the eyes, or infection in ears, you should not practice this one. And also pregnant ladies and menstrual time should avoid this one. And this practice is the entire body strengthening. Strengthen your arms, shoulder, your waist, your abdomen muscles. Also good for, it's make you, the energize yourself, boost your energy. So help you to awaken from the lethargic, and help you to build the confidence also. And especially mainly this strengthen your core muscles, back, chest, arms, shoulder, all entire body get benefited. Thighs, buttocks. The preparatory postures you have to practice first Bhagasana and Parvadasana also. You doing while you're doing sun salutation, the same posture, but you need to maintain this posture at least for 1 minute to strengthen your arms and shoulder. Also, we practice Sandolanasana. It's also called plank pose, like a stick, also called Dandasana. We can do this sideways and one hand balance also. This also help to strengthen your hands and your core muscles. Another way to practice handstand like this, to sit with the back on the wall and take your hand. You note the point like near the ankle. You place this, you fix this point, and when you stand up, keep your palm. Place your ankle where and keep your palm there, and slowly walk on the wall, and keep your body like a L shape, 90 degree. And this posture, this way also you can try instead of swinging or jumping on the wall. This one another way, and straighten one leg and come back another leg like this way.
सर इन केस अगर आप अपनी स्क्रीन शो कर रहे हैं
So when you're swinging on the wall, you should be very careful. Don't give much more gap. No gap. Keep it closer. Only 1 foot distance from the wall, not too close. Your head is almost touched on the wall. First, you keep your both legs, like keep your knee bent first, then straighten one leg, then switch your leg. Like this, we practice. And of course, the handstand take a long time to be perfection.
Sir, screen is not visible. Screen is not shown.
Can you hear?
Screen is not shown. It's not sharing.
Oh, it's not sharing.
Wow.
Sorry. So sorry for that. Also, the volume is very less. There was no volume. I didn't hear your voice. Okay, so what I mean is take a long time to perfection. At least maybe take years to be perfect for this posture. Maybe start your posture like a banana shape, and gradually you bring to straighten and straighten. For beginning, often you lift your head up and slightly arch your back for getting balance. The perfect posture is your head should be freely hang down. At least you look in between your palms, or you look on your thumb. And the final posture, your body should be like straight, like a stick, straight level. Your head, your spinal, and your leg should be in a straight line. So it's take time. So when you do against the wall, should be take care of the gap. The gap in between the wall and the palms should be just maximum 1 foot, not far, not very far. This means your head is almost touch on the wall. And swing, keep both legs with your knee bend. Bend your knee, keep your foot on the wall, and straighten one leg, and do some breathing. Then switch your leg, change to another leg. So, and this way you can also practice another way, like you sit against the wall And this is take a measurement. Take a measurement. The angle position is your. There should be a palm. So you take this position, note this pose, this point, and stand up and keep your palm in the same place where your ankle was, and slowly walk on the wall, like one by one, and make your body like a L shape. Okay, 90 degree, and straight one leg, another leg. So the preparatory posture, Bhagasana, Parvadasana. This is Santolanasana. You balance like a stick. You can Santolanasana, you can balance on both hands, and you can also balance on one hand, also sideways. Okay. So this is all about the Adho Mukha Vrikshasana. Let us practice. So first of all, you come straight and slowly bend your knees and practice. It's okay. Just little down on the screen. Bend your knees and practice Utkarasana first. And stay in Utkarasana for 5 breaths. Feet together and bend your knee like this. Keep your spine straight. And everybody come on the mat. On end of the mat. Exhale and inhale. Keep your knee bent and breathe for 5 times. 1, 2. Keep your knees together. 3, 4, and 5. And straighten your knee. Sorry. And straight bend forward. Keep your palm beside your foot.
Exhale, Padasana.
Breathe. 1. Touch your palms beside your foot. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straighten your spine up. Good. Now you separate your feet like this. Separate your feet and slowly bend your knee and sit down like this. Exhale. So you keep your knee, push your knee with the elbow. Push your knees with your elbow. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5. And keep your palm against the floor. Keep your palm on the floor, and your knee above your upper arm. Exhale. And inhale slowly. Rise your heels up. Exhale down. Repeat this posture. Inhale, bend the weight on your hand. Exhale down. Inhale, move forward. Exhale down. Repeat this 5 times. Inhale, rise your heels up. Distribute the weight on your arms. Rise your heels up. Exhale, come back. Repeat this 5 times. Keep your palms in front of your foot. Spread your fingers. Inhale and exhale. Keep your head up. Good. Now next one is inhale, hold the breath for 5 seconds. Hold the position. Okay, inhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax. Again, breathe some normally. 1, 2 breathing. Next, inhale, go. Hold the breath. 1, rise your heels up. 2, 3, 4, hold the breath. 5, exhale, relax. Good. Repeat 3 more times. Breathe in, out. Next, inhale. Hold the breath. Go. Go to the posture. Go on your arm. Good. Slowly try to lift your one leg up. 1 toes up. 1 toes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exhale. Relax. Breathe normally. Repeat like this 2 more times. Inhale. Go. Hold the breath. Rise your opposite leg up. Opposite toes little bit up. 1. Point your toe backward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Relax. Breathe normally. Okay. One more time. Inhale. Hold the breath. Hold the breath for beginning. Inhale and try to lift your one leg and slowly lean much more forward. All the weight on your fingertip. Concentrate on your fingertips and rise your another leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Good. Now all go to Parvadasana. Stay in Parvadasana. Exhale. Stay in Parvadasana for 1 minute. Look on your abdomen. Everybody look on your abdomen. Keep your elbows straight. Good. And make sure your shoulder wide and open. Don't touch your shoulder blade each together. Keep your shoulder blade separate. No contract. Don't contract your shoulder blade. Shoulder blade separate. This is contract. This is not good. Keep this broad and wide. Wide, yes. You know this movement, like this is contraction. This is not good. You should keep it when you do handstand, you should keep it like this. Straight elbow. Straight elbow. And head really down. Breathe. Make the back flat. Good. And Deepa, you little bit walk forward, Keep your buttocks rise up. Oh, good. Keep your knees straight, heels on the floor. Touch your heels on the floor. Good. Now bend your knee, relax in Shashangasana. Keep your palm face up. Relax your wrist sometime. Relax your wrist. Palm face up. Keep your palm face up. Relax your wrist. Good. Now come on your knee, everybody. Like a cat pose. Keep your palms below of your chest. Exhale. Okay. Next inhale, you touch your toes on the floor. Exhale. And you have to straighten your body like a stick. Straight level like a stick. And stay here for 1 minute. Breathe normally. Look on the floor. Breathe normally. You have to stay this plank for 1 minute, at least 1 minute. Your time start now, everybody. Divya, you lift your buttocks up, little bit up. Good. Look on the floor. Any one point. Keep looking on the point. Hold on. And Deepa, your palm below of your shoulder. Below of your shoulder. No. Yes. Move your palm a little back, straight. Keep your head, neck straight. Look forward, yes. Look forward. Continue 30 more seconds. Breathe. Don't collapse. Don't collapse your buttocks down. Keep your buttocks up. Tighten your abdomen. Tighten your calf muscle. Now, flex your foot, like touch your heels on the floor. Just touch your heels on the floor. Let's make you tight your back calf muscle. Knees, tighten your knees. Hold on. Divya, not Parvadasana, straight like a stick. Good. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax in Shashangasana. Relax your palm. Wrist. Breathe normally. Good. Now do the same posture, but only the different. Come to the plank pose again. Same pose. Same pose. Exhale, inhale, straight your body. And you distribute the weight only one hand, okay, either left or right hand, okay, without tilt your body, without, no, don't twist, just take your hand off and keep your hand on the back, yes, like this. Same posture, don't change, just for 10 seconds. 1, 2, on balance on one hand, 3, 4, 5, 6, buttocks down, buttocks down, buttocks down, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shift your hand, change another hand, take off another hand on your back, keep on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Breathe normally. Okay. So one more practice is called side plank. You have to do Parvadasana first. Exhale, Parvadasana. Then sideways. Exhale. Then straight Sandhanasana first. Then strengthen your right hand and turn your body. Open your left hand up. Balance on one side. 1, 2, 3. Open your left hand up. Keep your both foot or one foot over another foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to Parvadasana. Inhale, exhale, Parvadasana. Then inhale, straight to your body, Sandhanasana. Straight. And exhale, turn to another side. Open your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale, Pranasana. Now relax your wrist. Sit down on your sit down in Vajrasana. And rotate your wrist joint like this 5 times. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, and also keep your right palm above your left like this and stretch nicely once again like this way. Relax, make flexible your wrist. Good. And change left palm, twist. Good. And you keep your hand up, twisting like this. Stretching like this. Hold your upper arm and straight this hand down. This 1, 2. Okay. Change another hand. Let hold your upper arm. Stretch. Okay. Now you practice on the wall. Everybody slowly go beside the wall. You can see here. Okay, go close to the wall. Just 1 foot distance. Exhale and that is swing. 1, 2, 3, like this 5 times. Once you get balance, straight your head. Make sure your head relax. Relax your head. And one leg off, and slowly another leg. Okay, try to, those who can, try to swing on the wall. Okay. not too far from the wall. Raise your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now change your leg, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good try. Okay, now you come down and you try another way. Sit against the wall, sit your back on the wall, sit straight your leg like a Paschimottanasana, straight your spinal. Good. And look your ankle, where is your ankle? And keep that point in your mind. Okay, straight your spinal, straight your spinal. Okay, so all of you can see me? Everybody can hear me? Yeah, sit straight like this. And look at the point where your ankle. Okay. Now you slowly keep the palm on the same place and gently walk on the wall. And straight your knee. Like a 90, straight your knee. And keep your head down. If you feel difficult, keep your bend your knee first, okay? Bend your knee, slowly, and straight your knee. Or keep your knee bent. If you feel too difficult, bend your knee. Slowly come back. Okay. Yes. And Deepa, you need to come down a little bit. Legs down, down. Srividhi also, legs down. Well, good, perfect. Little more down. Ambuja, legs down. Straight your knees. No, just straight your knees. Your foot is okay. Just straight your knees. Kick your foot on the wall. Yes, very good. Straight. That is straight more. Don't move your foot. Now rise your right leg up. Very good. Stay there. 1. Keep your right leg straight level of your spinal. 2, 3. Okay. Deepa can rise one leg up. 4. Perfect. Now switch your leg. Exhale, leg down, and change another leg. Very good. 1. Look in between your palms. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Exhale. Good. Relax your wrist. Rotate your wrist. Same exercise. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Like this. Stretch. Okay. Okay, keep on trying on the wall one more time. Those who are comfortable, those who are flexible back, you can try on the middle of the room. Same like this. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. Once you get the balance, straight your both legs. Straight. 6, 7. Once you feel to fall down, bend your knees, and that's your toes on the floor. And come to Chakrasana. So you can lay down like this, and slowly sit down. So those who are flexible on the back, when you feel to fall down, just bend your knee and touch your foot on the floor. Not your back. And those who are not flexible on the back, and those who cannot do chakrasana, you still practice on the wall. Okay? Continue. Yeah, we continue one more time. Either swing on the wall. No, Srividya, not jumping like this. You walk backward little bit and walk on the wall. Walk small step, one step, small step. Like this, very good. Good, Shiva, very good. Touch your heels on the wall. Now you straight one leg, straight level of your spinal. One leg, only one leg. Very good. Stay here. Oh, lose the balance. Again, try. 2. And Deepa can practice the same way. You sit against the wall. Sit again. That's good for you. Yeah. Sit against the wall and keep your palm level of your ankle. Slowly walk on the wall. For beginning, you bend your knee and try to straight your knee slowly. All the weight. Don't move your hand. Don't move your hand. Once you fix your hand, don't move. Your hands in the same position. Good. Your hand need to be little back, Deepa. Your hand need to be little back. Okay, perfect. Now try. Divya, you're doing good. Keep your legs that is straight. If you cannot straight, it's okay. Keep your knee bend. Bend your knees, okay? Stay on the wall. Good. Deepti, you're trying good. Good try. Keep doing. Once you're tired, sit down in Vajrasana, relax your wrist and practice again. Okay, Shiva, you're doing good. You need to keep your leg little down. Good. Now straight your knee. Head down. Head down means you look in between your palms. Okay. Now you practice on your elbow. Okay, another posture is called dolphin pose. It's good for strengthening elbow and shoulder. Same plank, but you balance on your elbow. Okay, keep your elbow on the floor and straight your body like this and look on your toes, straight away. You can see sideways. Your elbow. Interlock your finger like a headstand. So it's a downward dog. And straight, inhale. You can repeat this. Inhale, exhale. 5 times. Inhale, straight. Exhale. Repeat 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Straight your body like a stick. More down. Exhale. I think your elbow need to little forward. Try. Yeah, now perfect. Exhale. Because when you come down, your elbow should not be tapped out. You need to move forward. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Okay. That's still not. See, it's not good for the elbow. Move forward. Good. Move forward, yes. Another exercise for strengthen Like this, you lie down like this, in like a cobra, lie down like a cobra. Keep your toes on the floor, inhale, and exhale, lift, look down. Inhale, look up. Okay? Like this, you lie down like this. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Inhale, buttocks down. Exhale, lift up. Head up, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Lie down on your belly. Inhale, touch your navel on the floor. Exhale, lift your navel up. Repeat 10 times. Don't raise your buttocks too much. Keep your buttocks straight level, parallel to the floor. Inhale, exhale. 1, continue, inhale, exhale. Lift your buttocks up. 2, inhale, look up. Exhale, buttocks up. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 9, inhale, and exhale. Maintain there, normal breathing. Lift your buttocks up. Stay there 1 minute. Keep your body plank, straight like a stick. Deepa, lift your buttocks up. Chaitra, buttocks down, 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 down. Good. Continue. Hold the position. Breathe normally. Strengthen your core muscles. Tight your abdomen, tight your buttocks. Engage your knee, ankle. Hold on. 30 more seconds. 30 seconds more. 20 seconds. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now you can relax in Shavasana. Lay down Shavasana. Just relax. Relax your whole body. Surrender your whole body to the floor. Do some abdomen breathing. Relax your abdomen muscle. Inhale, abdomen slightly rise up. Exhale, abdomen falls down. Continue abdomen breathing. 5 rounds. Now experience the breath on your chest. Shift your awareness from your abdomen to your chest. Inhale, feel the chest muscles slightly expand. Exhale, slightly contract. Practice thoracic breathing, 5 rounds. Now concentrate on your collarbone, your shoulder. Inhale, Shoulder slightly, your collarbone slightly up. Exhale down. Practice calcula breathing. Now you will practice deep yogic breathing. Inhale, abdomen, continue chest, little more effort, little more breath as your collarbone up, full breath, maximum. Exhale, relax your collarbone, chest, relax your abdomen. Inhale, breathe, feel from the bottom of your lungs as your abdomen up. Continue inhale in the middle. Continue inhale, full, complete breath. Exhale, relax. Relax your collarbone, relax your chest, relax your abdomen. Continue this 3 more rounds. Now we make a chant, Aum Makara. Inhale the full yoga breath. Two more rounds. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation. Slowly begin to move your fingers, toes. Gently, slowly move your body. Turn your body to the right side. Do not hurry. When you are ready, slowly sit up in a meditative posture. Let us conclude with the Shanti mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Suginaha Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhave Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today practice completed. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much. Okay, so keep practicing and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.